Hi, this is Swati, and today in this video, we are going to see a word problem on sum to n terms. So this is a very important word problem which generally comes in the board exam. In my prior video, I've also explained the complete arithmetic progression in just 10 minutes, where I've taught the interesting tips and tricks on how to remember the formula and how to quickly do the questions. So coming back to this question, find the sum of all natural numbers less than 100 that are divisible by 6. So we can just write the 6 table. So it starts with 6, 12, 18, 24, and so on. And towards the end, we know that yes, 90 is divisible by 6. So after 90, we have 96. And then the number will be greater than 100. We want less than 100. So yeah, this is our sequence going to be. Now, you need to find the sum of all natural numbers. As we know, we will first find the first term, that is 6, the common difference, that is 12 minus 6, which is 6. And you can see that the last term, that is an, is equal to 96. But here, to find the sum of natural numbers, so Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So here if I see, I know the value of a, I know the value of d, but we do not know the value of n. So the very first thing we need to do is finding the value of n. So let us come back to what, concept we know. We know the data that an is equal to 96. So this formula can be applied, which is a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 96 given to us. Using this formula, you can find the number of terms firstly. So 6 plus n minus 1 into 6 is equal to 96. So plus 6, when I transpose, it becomes minus 6. So 96 minus 6. And here I can open the bracket. 6 into n is 6n. 6 into 1 is 6. So now 6n minus 6 is equal to 96 minus 6 is 90. So 6n is equal to, again, minus 6. When I transpose, it becomes plus 6. 6n is 96. So n is equal to 96 by 6, which is 16. So number of terms, that means number of terms below 100 are 16 terms. Now we can find the value of sum to n terms. So n is 16 by 2 into the value of a is 6. Plus n is again 16 minus 1, and the value of d is 6 again. So 2 ones, 2 8, 16. So 8 into 2 into 6 is 12, plus 16 minus 1, 15 into 6. 8 into 12 plus 15 into 6 is 90. 8 into 102, which is 816. So sum to n terms, that is sum to 16 terms, is equal to 816. Hope you have understood the solution. Thank you.